Dress for the weather. Hat, coat, gloves, snow pants, boots. Follow red arrows. Clear a lane down the middle of the driveway. Follow blue arrows. Push snow from middle of driveway to edge. Follow blue arrows. Push snow from middle of driveway to edge. All clear. Let's review. What kind of shoes should you wear to shovel? A. Sandals. B. Boots. C. Dress shoes. The correct answer is boots. What do you put on your hands to shovel? A. Gloves. B. Glasses. C. Socks. The correct answer is gloves. What do you need to shovel snow? A. A shovel. B. A bucket. C. A rake. The correct answer is a shovel. Where should you push the snow? A. Onto the roof. B. Into the street. C. Into the yard. The correct answer is into the yard. Which step is first? Picture A, picture B, picture C. The correct answer is picture B.